Hi folks, today we're going to look at a baseline Ethernet radio. And we're going to focus in on the endpoint radio. The endpoint radio is the radio that's going to be connected directly to your satellite controllers. I want to take a quick look here and just kind of explain what we're looking at. Here is our antenna cable. Here's our Ethernet cable, and our Ethernet cable is going into a port here, which in this case is going out to my computer. The lights on here, the green lights, indicate that we are indeed connected, and the radio is able to read that there is an Ethernet port on my computer. And then the green light indicates that we are connected to the master or to the gateway radio. And the flashing light in there, the TX, is what's being transmitted right now. And then the CTS light will become solid red if my connection is excellent, and flashing slower and slower depending on connectivity. So if we have a rapidly flashing red CTS light, that's probably going to be a very good connection to our gateway radio. Let's go ahead and show you what happens if we lose our antenna. So if my antenna goes out, see, I have a bad connection now. And my light starts to change. When I lose my antenna completely, I go offline. This light pattern indicates that I am no longer connected to my gateway. Repairing the antenna, and we're back in business.